When it comes to Pytest fixture architecture, not all AI assistants handle test design equally well. ChatGPT tends to produce verbose but correct fixture setups, often overusing module scope when function scope would suffice. Claude, by contrast, shows a stronger grasp of dependency injection patterns, generating fixtures with cleaner separation of concerns and fewer side effects. GitHub Copilot excels at inline suggestions, quickly completing fixture chains based on context, but it can miss broader architectural issues like fixture explosion or improper teardown logic. For complex setups involving database connections or API mocks, Claude's reasoning about conftest.py organization and fixture parameterization often leads to more maintainable code. The takeaway: choose Claude when you need thoughtful fixture architecture from scratch, and use Copilot for rapid iteration within an already sound structure.